Unimac washer. Troubleshooting error codes and their meanings, experiencing issues with your Unimac washer. Understanding error codes can help. These codes provide insights into what might be wrong with your machine. This section will guide you through the most common error codes and their meanings. Understanding error. Error codes are alphanumeric codes displayed on your washer's screen. They help identify specific issues. Recognizing these codes can save time and help in quick troubleshooting. Here's a basic guide to understanding these error codes. Error code, the unique identifier for an issue. Description, a brief explanation of the problem. Solution, steps to resolve the issue. Common error codes. Unimac washers display various error codes. Here are some of the most common ones. Error code description. Solution: F01 door lock issue. Ensure the door is closed properly. Check the lock mechanism. F02 water fill problem. Check water supply. Ensure hoses are not kinked. F03 drain error. Inspect the drain hose and pump. Remove any blockages. F04 motor error. Check the motor connections. Inspect for any visible damage. Understanding these error codes helps in quick troubleshooting. For more detailed solutions, refer to your Unimac washer's user manual. Note: if you want to know more details, you can visit this website, HelloTroubleshooting.com.